Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to do today's assignment. It's just a get to know me assignment so that I can get to know you guys a little bit better. I have an example up on our Canvas page in yesterday's lesson, but also I'll link it again of my example of what it looks like and what yours should look like when you're done. But I just wanted to show you quickly a tutorial so that if you're having issues with it, you could have some help and some guidance here while you complete your assignment. So when you open it up from your lesson page, this is what you're going to see. You're going to click this link and it's going to force you to make a copy in your Google Slides. So we're just going to go ahead and make your copy. And then when it opens up, it's going to have your instructions on this first slide here. It's going a little bit slow, but that's okay. So it looks overwhelming when you first open it, like there's a bunch of slides, but that's because you can choose what color you want to use. So there's pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You choose your favorite color and then you can delete all the other slides. So you need to choose what color you want to do. Delete all the other ones so that there's only one left because I don't want to have to scroll through them all to see your slide. And then you're just going to click into it and then add all of your information. So that's all in the instructions right here. But just in case you don't know how to delete the slides, let's say that I want to use the yellow one, right? So I'm going to right click on the slides I don't want and just click delete. I'm going to delete that one because I want the yellow one. And then you have your slide left that you're going to work with. So here it's pretty easy. You just type into each of the boxes and you put the information there that you want me to know about. So, you know, my name is Mrs. Cone, so I'll do Mrs. Cone. And then fill out your about me. So just tell me a little bit about yourself, some fun facts. It's already in a bulleted list. If you have a preferred name or nickname that you go by or anything you want me to know about you, anything that you think might be pertinent for this semester. And then of course over on the right hand side, it's just your favorites. So you'll just delete these answers. So let's say your favorite color is blue. We'll just delete it. Well, I'm assuming your favorite color is yellow if we use the yellow template, but you'll just fill these in as you go down so that I can go through and read them and get to know you guys. For the picture, so this is a rounded picture. I don't care if the picture that you put on here is round or not. It really doesn't matter to me. The picture that I have on mine is a square picture, so it doesn't matter if it's rounded. I don't care as long as you put a picture on there. And then to get your picture in here, if you'll just go to Insert and then go down to Image. And now if you guys have selfies and stuff, you can email them to you and save them on your computer and do it that way. So I'll just go to Upload from Computer and then you click on your pictures and then your pictures will be there to choose from. So if you save a picture underneath your pictures, you can do that. I had some pictures here for my ID badge, so I'll just put that into place. So there's me. Hello, I'm your teacher. And then you just size it down and place it where the picture goes, and that's perfect. So I do want to be able to see you guys, put a face to the name, and also get to know you guys just a little bit more. And then once you are done, you'll be able to turn this in on Canvas. So make sure when you're turning it in, when you're sharing it with me, you want to make sure that the access is anyone with the link. So what I mean by that, when you click the share button and this comes up, where it says restricted right here, only people with access can open the link. If you turn it in like with the restricted access, I won't be able to see it and I can't grade it. So we need to go ahead and get in the habit now of always, always, always clicking this general access to anyone with the link. You could do Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools because I do have a CMS email address, obviously, but I always go with anyone with the link because that takes off any kind of restrictions and it lets me see it every time. So before you ever turn any kind of Google slide or Google Doc into me, for the semester, you want to make sure you're changing the access to anyone with a link. Then we're going to copy the link and we'll go back into our assignment. I'm going to switch it to student view really quick. Oh, sorry, it's locked right now, so you can't see it. But when you come back here, there'll be a little button that says submit assignment, and then you'll just copy and paste the link. And then when you upload it, there should be like little confetti and stuff that lets you see that you've uploaded. But biggest thing is to make sure the slide is completely done. You've deleted all of the other slides so that there's not a bunch to swim through. You've added your picture, and then when you're ready to upload, you select anyone with the link in view. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to getting to know you guys.